Have you ever said estoy embarazada thinking it meant I'm embarrassed? Well, it doesn't. My name is Miguel, and today I'm going to show you 5 super common false friends in Spanish that can lead to some awkward situations. Vamos con ellos. Welcome to Spanish con Miguel, where I teach you real Spanish you can actually use. Short lessons, useful tips, no boring stuff. If you're learning Spanish, consider subscribing and let's make it fun and simple. Embarazada means pregnant. So if you say estoy embarazada, you're saying that you're expecting a baby rather than being shy or embarrassed. The word for embarrassed in Spanish is avergonzado or avergonzada in its feminine version. This one isn't very common, but I have heard it a couple of times. The word ropa doesn't mean rope, it actually means clothes or clothing. So if you say voy a comprar ropa, it means I'm going shopping for clothes, not for climbing gear. The word for rope is actually cuerda or soga in Spanish. Here we have a weird one, a tricky one. Because asistir is not a false friend per se. It is kind of a false friend, so it is pretty much a friend, if that makes sense. You make the call. Let me explain. Asistir does mean to assist or to help, like in English. But the most common usage for this word is actually to attend. So if you say voy a asistir a la reunión, what you're saying is I'm going to attend the meeting, not I'm going to help with the meeting. So yeah, another common word for to assist in Spanish is ayudar. And unlike the last one, this is actually a very false friend. Molestar, it doesn't mean what you're thinking, unless you already know the word, of course. Molestar in Spanish means to bother. It is a very common word and it is completely innocent. You can hear it in everyday situations all the time. So, if you say something like no quiero molestarte, what you're saying is I don't want to bother you, I don't want to inconvenience you, something like that. A common false friend that most of my students use at the beginning is actual. Actual is not the same as actual. Actual in Spanish means current, while actual would be something like real or verdadero. So, for example, if I say mi trabajo actual, what I'm saying is my current job, not my real job. Those are just 5 of the most common false friends in Spanish, and there are plenty more. So, if you want to learn a little bit more about Spanish and join me in weekly short lessons, you can click that subscribe button. And of course, if you want to go deeper, you can book a private lesson with me, link below. Nos vemos la próxima semana.